Hi there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use loops in Python using a problem statement. Let's go. So in the problem statement we have been given an integer n and we have to print till integer n all the positive integers from 0 to n minus 1 in square format in separated lines. Like in the example given 3, we have to print 0, 1 and 4 as shown in the sample input below. The input is 5 and the expected output, the sample output is 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. So let's write the code now. First of all, we will run a loop, for loop till range n from 0 to n minus 1. If we run the range till n, all the integers that will come will be from 0 till n minus 1. And now we will write a print statement in the for loop, print I square. The symbol for squaring in Python is the exponential symbol twice. So now let's submit the code and our output is matching the expected output. Yeah, our code is true for all the test cases given below. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.